Welcome back to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this video reflects my personal experience using the service. In this video, we're taking a look at Northern Trust, accessible at www.northerntrust.com. Northern Trust is a prominent wealth management and financial services institution offering a comprehensive suite of solutions for individuals, families, and institutions. Their website serves as a central hub for information on their various offerings, ranging from investment management and trust administration to private banking and financial planning. Navigating the site, you'll find detailed insights into their specialized services, catering to the complex needs of high-net-worth individuals and global organizations. They emphasize personalized service, delivered through a network of experienced professionals. For individuals, they offer customized investment strategies, sophisticated wealth planning, and trust services designed to preserve and grow wealth across generations. Institutional clients can access tailored solutions for investment management, corporate and institutional services, and asset servicing. Northern Trust's website also provides resources such as market insights, research reports, and thought leadership pieces, demonstrating their expertise in the financial world. The site aims to provide a clear understanding of their capabilities and commitment to client success. Whether you're an individual seeking wealth management guidance or an institution looking for sophisticated financial solutions, Northern Trust positions itself as a partner in achieving financial goals. They underscore their focus on long-term relationships and responsible investing. Through the website, you can explore their history, values, and commitment to community involvement. Northern Trust's online presence provides a window into their comprehensive services and expertise, aimed at empowering clients with the knowledge and resources they need to navigate the complexities of the financial landscape. While the website is informative, it's crucial to remember that financial decisions should be made in consultation with qualified professionals tailored to your specific circumstances. Be sure to explore the site further to discover how Northern Trust might be able to assist you in achieving your financial objectives.